Hello dear friend, there is an update for Fusion Studio. Let's download the new update of Fusion Studio and let's see what's new in this update. After updating Fusion Studio, let's learn how to use transforms and expressions and text notes etc. Let's see what's this expression. If you use After Effects or Fusions, you can understand expression. If you don't know, in today's tutorial we will learn how to use expression and animate our compositions, make it very beautiful, impressive to use in any video editing software, dear friends. So let's see what's expression here. All parts are very important, don't miss any part of the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivations to make more creative tutorial for you. Without wasting time, let's jump into our PC to start in Fusions using expression and transform nodes etc. here. Hello dear friend, now we are on the website of Blackmagic forum here, and you can see release of Fusion Studio 20.3.1 here. Here you can read what are changes, address issues with the switcher RGB, a color setting, addressed incorrect viewer overlay position after transform, address issue with the keyframe in indicators and hidden controls, addressed multi-merge masking issue with the concatenated transforms, address issue with improving some PSDs, addressed issue with some open EXR and crypto mat, addressed issue with the size ignoring pivot in duplicate tools, general performance and stability improvements. These changes and issues addressed are the main focuses of this update Fusion Studio. After this update, Fusion Studio may be more stable on your computer. For downloading Fusion Studio, come to Fusion website. Here you see I will put the link in the description box. From there you just click and download. Just click here to download now, and if you want to use Fusion Studio free, just download DaVinci Resolve according to your system here, and you can use freely inside Fusion page in DaVinci Resolve. But this is Fusion Studio dedicated software. If you have DaVinci Resolve Studio license, it means you have automatically access to Fusion Studio. Just download here, just click here. Now you can see Fusion Studio. This is the version. Right here your name, email address. Here you have to insert serial number and just register and download. I have several tutorials how to activate Fusion Studio, how to download step by step. Go to the playlist and see that. Okay, just we click here to register download here. Hello dear friend, now we are inside Fusion Studio here, and now let's see how to use transfer node and expression in this tutorial. If you haven't followed our last tutorial about transfer node, go to the playlist and see, then this tutorial will be more helpful to you. Let's see. First come here, we are in the Fusion Studio here. We already know about the interface etc, the basic about nodes. Now come here, we want to take a background nodes here. You see here background, this is the background. Just click here, and now we are in background here. Just click one here, this one on your keyboard, and you can see here. Now let's see, change the background. I want to make it transparent. Come here to color here. In color you can see here this arrow. Just click on this arrow. Come here, you see here, just scale up here, and now you can see we have transform here, and we can change the resolution here. For changing resolution, come to image here, and from here you can change, you can make 4K resolution etc here. Okay, I want only 1080p resolution. Everything is okay. Now we have frame rate here, you can change from here. I keep this to 1000 frame rate in standard, okay, on default. And now we come here, and we have to take a saver to save this, because when we will render we need this saver. For saver, come here, you see here, this is the loader. If you have anything already saved, you will open pressing this loader here, but we want to save this saver. Just click here, saver. Now you can see save. I want to write here Fusion Composition 4. click here. So we have renamed here. We have Fusion Composition 4. So directly you have to just rename here. You see, after renaming Fusion Compositions and background, just come here. You have to change the format. Remember that it's necessary to change the format of Fusion Com. Come here. I want to export video as QuickTime movies. Just click here, QuickTime movies. We have changed the format here and export settings. It's a better at the beginning make this export rendering settings so that we couldn't face problem later. So we have QuickTime here export settings, format H264 settings. We will not change this anything. It's okay for us here. Frame export QuickTime, and from here you can browse the location. So I have already location on desktop. Save here. Now we have saved. And now we want to take one more background nodes so that we can change into transform. So just click here and now shift plus backspace. You know, we can add nodes in various ways. Go to the last class on playlist and see. Now we come here and type here again background. We'll take this background from here. Just click here. Add now. Now you can see Fusion has already added node for us through merge here. You see merge node. Merge node is merging two nodes. So it has merged for us nodes here, background. Now we can change here. Just click F2 on keyboard. Now I want to type this, make it foreground. And now, okay. Now we have this is the foreground node. And now we can change the color etc. To see all the nodes here, just click on merge and 2 on your keyboard. Now you can see we have black visible because the resolution of foreground is the same like here background. So we want to make it small. First we come here to foreground here, and now we want to make it red. Okay, something red, this color. Okay, now we have selected, and now we come to image here. You see this is a color, this is the setting, this is the image. In image we want to make it smaller like this. You see here. No, you can adjust according to yourself how you can make it composition. I want to make this composition for any video editing software. So we can add in video editor this later. So we come here, you can expand like this, or you can write value here directly. You can type and enter. This is our value here. This will be the perfect for us. And now we want to type here something. Before typing, we take a transform node. You can see here transform node. This is the node. Just select background, foreground here and click here. Now we have added transform node very easily. Now we take a text node. We want to type something here. Just click here. Now we have text node here. So select these and click here. And you can see merge 2 has appeared. This is the merge 1. It's a connecting background to our background foreground transform etc. And now this merge 2 is connecting our foreground text here. So all are connected together in each other, and this is the Fusion composition saver which will save. This will be the result, our output. All these are input here. Hello dear friend, if this class is useful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel dear friend. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivations to make more creative tutorial for you. This year we have to achieve 1000 subscribers. Without your contributions and moral supports, it's not possible. Just favor me, and even you can share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorials. This tutorial may be very useful to them. Without wasting time, let's see the next step of nodes here. We have connected here. Now you can select all and you can put anywhere. I want to put here in the middle here, and from here you can make it smaller, bigger. This node editor, this is the node editor place for putting all nodes. And these two windows from our last class, these are independent. You can see any nodes anywhere without problem. So you can see we have this foreground here. We can organize. This is our text. This is the transform. In text nothing is visible because we haven't typed anything. Just type here. Our YouTube channel is resolved for you. Resolve for you. We type here resolve for you now, and you can change the font here. You can take any fashionable font here. There are lots of font. Take any font. I take this Arial. Okay, and now come here to change black. I want to take this black. Black is better than bold. It's a bold. It's a black. I take this black. If you want to resize this,
Just come here, you see size here. Now you can make it like this. So you can see here, we have resized this. So now we have beautiful composition. We will start. Now let's see how to use expression here. For using expression, you have to come to transform, because this transform expression is actually the adding keyframing. You know, from our last class, we can add keyframing, we can animate with keyframing, frame by frame on every frame, like here we have to move, and we have to start keyframing from here. This diamond point we have to activate and add keyframing, etc. But in expression, you don't need to do anything. You just click expression one button and it will optimize keyframing for every frame automatically, and it's very convenient when you want to edit fast, you want to make composition very fast, and it's very accurate. So come here to transform, just select. On no transfer, you can see here center. On center, just click here. Now you can see here expression. We have just select expression here. Now we have this expression. We don't need this expression. We remove from here. You see here. We just remove. And now again come here, on center. Here you see center. And now you see modify with. Here you have also one expression. You see, we don't need this expression. Come here, and anytime you can remove here. Reset to default. It will reveal reset to default here. Here you can connect to anything. We will learn this in advance. You can add paths. Now expression, actually we need here, you see, in modify expression here, we will use this shake here. You see here, shake. Now we play here. So you can see how it's shaking. It has automatically added to the whole 1000 frames. Anytime you can reset here, just click here. Now you can reset here, just come to center here, transform. In modify with, you can see shake. We don't take, if you take expression here, now you have to go to the advanced settings. For the, we will learn about that setting of expression in advance. Okay, so we just remove that expression. We take this easy expression, and you can reset from here, okay, to default. So we have reset to default, and now we come here, modify with shake. So you can see it's a shaking. See here, it's very beautiful. You can add two clips while editing video. It will be very impressive. So now come here. I want to show you one more setting of this. We can reset here. So we have reset here, and now come here to modify with, and we take this, you see, perturb. You see here, perturb. Just click here, and now it will shake like this, up and down. You see here. So you can see here. So you can use this, is also very impressive. You can use on your clip. So these are the two very easy compositions in Fusions. If you are beginner, this will help you a lot for to be an advanced user of Fusion. So you can see here. So now we come here and we can reset directly from here, default. Now we have reset. I want to take only this. So remember, perturb and shake. I take this shake, and all these are advanced. We will learn one by one. So we take this shake now. No, it's a shaking actually. I need this. Now we can add glue effect to this. Let's see how we can use this glue effect. You can add to foreground. You can add this glue effect to text. Come here, text. Once text is selected, just click shift and backspace on your keyboard. Type glue. You see, you can see various type of such composition: glue, shining composition, glow. Let's see how to use this glow. So you can see here, glow. Now we add this glow effect. We have various glow. So we take this normal glow effect for this lesson and add. So you can see we have added glow here. Just to make it organized first, we have several nodes, so we have to make more place here, and we can just select and put here on the center. Now we can see we have to organize. We want to make it bigger text here, and this is our glow. You see here. This is the glow we put here. Now we have this glow. Now you can see we have already added this glow. So here we come here and we can add various type of keyframing in this glow. You see here, from here you can see how it's working. You see like this. We can put this effect. You see here. Change the value here. You will understand how you need in your composition. You see, like we can add like this. You see here, glow like this. All these are keyframeable. So put here, it will return to default. Put here on this point here. it will return to default here. We have color space, we can add red color, you see red effect. Green scale we can add, you see green, it will add green scale here, and blue, it will add blue scale, you see here, very little blue, and it will be very good. Alpha setting we can add like this. These all are keyframeable. We have here, you see filter, red, green, blue, orange. We can add full filter. You see we have added green filter, red, green, blue. In this way you can add filter. Alpha, it will be alpha black. I want to green this. You see very beautiful green filters we have added, and now we can actually keyframe here. So we come here to around 40, and now we add here glow size. We can keyframe glow size, everything we can keyframe here. Add everywhere. You see diamond point, it's a red now. Keyframing is active. You can red scale everything. You can add, you see various type of, we have box, Gaussian blur, fast, you can choose from here. Blend, you see blend, it will be solarize, you see it's a solarizing. Highlight, you see it's a highlighting. Gaussian, we use Gaussian blur most of time. Multi-box, it will be multi-box effect. Box, you see bar left box. You can use this box too, is good. I use only fast Gaussian blur. And now our key here, we can add keyframing here. When it will be here, now you see it's activated, we can add like this. You see here, like this. When our keyframe will be here at this point, we can add glow like this. You see here, this glow we can add. When our frame will be here, we can again decrease this. You see here, like this, at this point, and glow setting will be like this. You see nothing will be here. Now we come here at this point, we can again make it like this. You see here, like this setting, and we can add even blend. You see here, it's a blending, it's a mixing. You see very beautiful. In this setting, we can add little bit red scale here, green scale like this, blue scale we are adding here little bit, not too much, little bit try and see. It's a creative work, so you have to think and do. I can give you idea whatever you can do. You see, I am like doing this at this point. Now I'm changing this. At this point is okay. Blend we are doing like this little bit. When our frame will be here at this point, now we are decreasing this red scale here. You see here, we are decreasing this. Okay, it's okay for us. Okay, and we can increase like this. Okay, now we come here at this point, and I want to add like this. Okay, this is the good. You can even add blue here. We have green only, so you can add from here red, green, blue. Try one by one. You will understand. It will be very beautiful. Very beautiful. You can make. It's like this. Okay. So when our frame will be here, I will again change. Now I will using it to little bit default. Okay, this setting here. I decrease this green. Okay, in this way you can do. And now let's play. So you can see here keyframing. So you can see we have effect. Oh, nice effect we have. So you can see how effective. It's a very impressive. It's a very heavy effect. So sometimes your computer may choke. So be careful and wait, because these are very heavy effects for computer. So you need a decent graphic card to run this effect. Now let's see how to render this expression, this composition. For rendering, come here, Fusion, comp here, and here you can again check the export setting etc, which we'll set up in the beginning. So we have quick movie time. This is the best format. You can take other format, but I will use only this format to use in any video editors. Export, everything's okay. Auto process mode is auto. We don't touch this. Format compression H264. Okay. So we come here to render. You see here render. Start rendering. Now we have 1000 frame range. It's okay for me. Just start rendering now. Now we are rendering here. So you can see it's a very heavy effect here. So when there is any heavy effect, rendering will be very slow. So it's rendering here. very fast render completed. Okay, now we come to DaVinci Resolve. We want to use this in video editor. Now you can see here, I want to put this here on we are already in DaVinci Resolve. Here we come to media pool. Here now I want to use this Fusion comp, so we come to desktop. Here we have, here you can see Fusion composition. Open, this is our Fusion composition. We open this, we drag this Fusion composition to media pool. Here you see here, so we have here Fusion composition and we can use to our productivity here. So we just drag this to our timeline. Here you see here we have 1000 frame rate. Now we select this and come here, you see composite mode. In composite mode, adds. Now we have added here, so make it smaller. We can zoom it, make it smaller, and we can put anywhere. You see here I can put, you see we have red background and we can put here. So in this way you can make such type of composition. So now we can play here.
Performance of this new version of DaVinci Resolve here, and we will take some of clips.
So you can change position if you know editing, basic editings. You can very easily change the position etc. Anywhere you can put this and you can use.
And use some.
And zoom if you want to make it smaller, we can make it very smaller and put here. You see here at this point.
Some features of DaVinci Resolve 20 series update and check the performance.
So you can see here
of DaVinci Resolve. So
you can make subscription button etc. here and you can use this.
Parts are very important. Don't miss any part of the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Your one subscription.
So dear friend, this is how you can make composition. So this is our composition, dear friend, today, and try all see that these nodes are how I have connected all these nodes, all the parameters. After making such composition, please write me in the comment box. If you have any problem, you can directly write in the comment box. I am always ready to reply for you. I will be very happy to see your composition in the comment box, dear friend. We meet in the next class with some other Fusion tutorials with more creativity. Take care. Bye.